Hey everyone! Andito tayo ngayon sa Amadeo, Cavite to showcase E1.4 hectares farmhouse with eleganteng bahay. So this property, malapit siya sa East Service Road. As you can see via drone, napakalapit lang niya sa access, lahat ng mga major thoroughfares. So this property is a Torrens title at meron siyang simbahan na napakaganda, House of Prayer, which is very imperative. And of course, the contour of the property, guys, meron siyang flat terrain and rolling terrain, flat, and meron siyang like sloping with dry creek. And in terms of fruit-bearing trees, several massive number of fruit-bearing trees with fruit na siya, no? Ibig sabihin, magko-collect and mag-harvest ka na lang ng iyong real property. Okay, before we start our house tour, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that bell button. The same way, share our videos sa inyong immediate extended and large family looking of real estate here in the Philippines. So this one is selling in the market for 70 million pesos. Capital gains tax included. So if you're interested or anyone interested, maybe you who are ikaw no nanonood ngayon ng house tour natin and na interesadong mag-acquire ng real estate as investment or capital asset, guys, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. But before that, no, ikutan natin muna the entrance, the exit, the chapel, house, the farm area, and the other feature ng property. Alright, so are you ready, Benji?
Yes!
Alright, okay. So give us, hit like muna kahit naulan. Ayan. Magla-like muna tayo kahit naulan, no? Oh, magbibigay pugay muna tayo sa mga nag-house tour kahit naulan. Alright? Let's go, Benji. Okay. Nandito na tayo sa kalagitnaan. This is the driveway, guys. Then right here, you have a pine tree. And over here, ang daming mga pineapple. Okay? No need na pumunta ng Bukidnon, no? Para pumunta sa Dole. At dito po sa Amadeo, ang dami na pong mga pineapple. Ang bunga po niyan, ang puno po ng pineapple, ano?
90.
Okay, no bashing, no? Ano sabi ni, sabi ni Small Laude? Hi, Ma'am Small Laude. Ang ganda ng property niyo, Ma'am, oh. Ang saya, di ba?
Kunin
Ay,
mo,
pre,
ma'am.
kunin mo na to, Ma'am. Kung may kakilala kayo, kilala niyo si Ma'am Small Laude. Ayan, guys, itag niyo po ito kay Small Laude. Bibilin niyo na ito, guys, at magkakaroon kami ng collaboration. Alright? O, diba? Ang saya. I-house tour natin yung kanyang bahay. Anyway, so ito yung farm area, and then ito yung pinaka-paborito ko sa lahat, the House of Prayer. Imagine a property na mayroon kang House of Prayer, allotted, no? Binigyan talaga nila ng space si Lord, no? Hindi lang sa heart, mind, and soul, but of course, isinama nila si Jesus. Isinama nila yung ating great provider ng bahay. Look at that, a beautiful and eleganteng chapel that can accommodate like ang daming mga angels, di ba? At ang maganda dito, fronting siya sa entrance gate. Alright. Okay, dinala ko kayo dito, guys, because this is the access all the way to the 2-lane road. Okay, so motorized and then automatic. I think this is automatic, no?
Yeah.
Manually. Manually operated. Pero pwedeng natin lagyan ng
Motor.
motor. Alright. So imagine, ganyan kataas yung fence. Alright. All throughout the property, guys, it's fully fenced. So walang problema na, no, sa fence. And then your privacy, kasi nakabakod na siya lahat. Now, pagpasok mo pa lang dito sa kaliwa, you have lot of coconut. Ayan, okay? Then doon sa likod, ang lapad pa ng area kasi imagine it's 14,000 square meters. Now, balik tayo, titingnan natin yung kanilang fruit bearing trees. Guys, no, before the other side, so ito yung may magandang value, no? At least it reminds us every day ng ating tahanan ay hindi dito sa earth, no? Kundi we have a beautiful place, our eternal place in heaven. So right now, habang nabubuhay tayo, guys, so we have a house of prayer, alright, dedicated, no, yung kanilang buhay, no, para sa kay Lord. Imagine, Diba? Konti lang yung may mga property na mayroon silang allotted house of prayer. But this one, mayroon siya. Kaya it's a big check. Now, right here, no, it's close. I think it's close. Right here, ang ganda oh. Ayan, ang linis ng kanilang house of prayer, guys. Okay, so tingnan natin yung house of prayer. Okay, guys, this is the house of prayer. Imagine, nag-echoing. Alright, nag-echo yung ating boses dito, guys. So, you have the altar area, and then yung upuan, and then, at saka yung luhuran, di ba? But ang linis. Plus, meron siya ditong, I think you have the aircon here. May air cooler. Right, alright. So, ganito, no? Kaganda. Imagine. You have a place na not just a property na mayroong other feature, but this one, meron kang chapel, guys, is a big factor. Now, tingnan natin the other feature. Okay. Now, the other side is, ito yung kanilang dragon fruit area. Right? Meron kang talisay tree. The dragon fruit, imagine, ang ganda ng landscape, no? It's a well-maintained property. So, madalang lang tayo nakakakita, again, ng property na mayroong sense of ownership, no? Lalo na yung kanilang caretaker. So, imagine, no? Itinuturing nila na kanila yung property, although sila ay subordinated or sila ay like adopted, no? Yung kanilang tenant or yung caretaker. Now, right here, meron kang rambutan. And then the motor pump area. And then doon sa baba, you have a room. Na yan. Yung kanilang room right there. A guest room. Yan. Staff room. Yan. Convertible, no? Multi-functional area kasi pwede rin siya family room or entertainment room. Doon sa side na yon. So, you have a kitchen right there. Pwede kayo doon maglitsyon. Ayan, imagine doon sa side na yon. Okay, bago ka makakarating doon, guys, ayan, sasalubungin ka, no? Hahampasin ka ng lansones. Ayan, okay po. Okay, so dito sa side na to naman, no? Ngayon, hindi po kayo mahangin. So, sometimes, pinapalo ka dito ng mga mangga. Ayan, grabe, namamalo ang mga manggas. Dahil nga, kasababa, oh, di ba? Hindi siya sobrang tangkad. Madali siyang akyatin. Kaya minsan yan, pag humahampas yung hangin, talagang papaluin ka ng mangga. Okay, let's go. Anyway, no, shout out kay Mr. Charles. Alright. So Mr. Charles, ano sa yung client natin, no, from Las Vegas. Ang ganda doon sa Las Vegas, no? Marami bang bigas doon? Wala nang bigas sa Las Vegas. Las Vegas. Alright. Alright, marami lang tayong tawa, ha. Bawal po ang nakasimangot, lalo na sa ating napakagandang house. Alright. Now, titingnan natin yung kanilang main house. Pero mamaya na yung main house. Imagine, ayan yung main house, oh. Look, oh. Ayan, pero later na yan, guys, no? Para tapusin yung video natin. Okay, dito muna tayo sa other side. Okay. Nakikita mo yung mga abiotic elements? Living things and the non-living things, the biotic elements. Ayan, seems like this. So, meron kang chicken. Anything you see is stays. So, lahat ng gumagapang, lumalakad, stays. Alright? So, it's a fully furnished, right? Tama, ma'am? Yeah, it's a fully furnished property, guys. So, anything you see, is stays. Alright. Pero para sa akin, maganda ito maglaro ng golf. Ha? Pwede, di ba?
Pwede.
Okay. Din dito, oh. Ayan. Ito yung pinakamagandang place, guys. Imagine. Ayan. You know, di ba mataas ang land, no? Tapos pagbaba mo, malinis. Tapos dito may mga calamansi tree. Ito yung sinasabi natin na pinapalo ka ng mangga. Kasi, ayan, oh, imagine mo, di ba? Nakapakapunggok. O, ayan.
Puti na lang.
Ayan. Then, on this side, marami ka mga pineapple. Alright. So, panalong-panalo yung property because, no, well-maintained at ang dami ng fruit-bearing trees. The same time, highlands po ito, di ba? Highlands already. So, it's a flood-free area. Kaya napakaganda ng highest and the best use of the real estate. Now, on this side, ito yung maraming mangga, guys. Pero may kulang lang dito. Alam mo yung kulang dito?
Swimming pool.
The swimming pool. Pero guys, no, kung gusto niyo po magpagawa ng swimming pool, so we have a construction right now. So swimming pool like mga 1.5 million, you have a swimming pool na. Just message us kung magpapagawa kayo ng swimming pool, lalo na kung magpapagawa kayo ng bahay, ng magandang bahay. So our rate right now nasa 35,000 to 55,000 pesos per meter square. So if you are interested or kung meron kayong mga bare land na gusto niyo pong magpagawa ng property or yung inyong dream house or any structure, either building or commercial building or a residential property, residential dwelling area, message us. Okay, now dito sa side na to naman, ayan. Anong tawag sa manok na mataba?
Kabir.
Kaber. Ayan, akala niyo pati chicken, ha? Kaber siya, guys. Ayan. Alright. Pero dito, dinala ko kayo dito dahil marami dito mga puno. Okay? Ganito siya. O, imagine. So, makikita nyo din, no? Nakikita nyo, ayan, nakabakod na yung buong property. Ayan, imagine, no? The whole 1.4 hectares, nakabakod na yan siya. So, possession na lang ang kulang. I-assume na lang, no? Lilipatan nyo na lang to, guys. And then, lahat ng mga manok included, no? Stays in the property. Then, right here. Okay lang. Okay, naulan ngayon, pero dahil in demand yung ating house tour. Wow. Ayan. Sometimes talaga sa dami ng mga bunga, yan, no? Yung hindi na kinukuha ng mga owner or I think sa dami ng bunga hindi na nila kaya i-consume. Sometimes, ayan, ordinary, no? It's a ordinary real property. Pag nagpo-fell down na siya. Yeah, nalaglag na siya. It's a ordinary real property. Ordinary. Ayan, ayan. Ganun kataas yung mabakod. Now, tingnan natin the main house. Okay, let's go. Okay, bear with us. Naulan talaga. Okay, let's go, Benji. Tingnan natin yung pinaka main house. Okay, over here, meron kang carport. And this is the house. Main house. Wow. Okay, ang nice. I like it. Okay, right here you have a swing. And then marami kang mga functions. Tingnan natin. Yan. So maganda yung pwesto ng bahay because medyo elevated. No, this is more elevated. Okay. Than the rest. And for me, no, magandang maglagay ng swimming pool. I think dito sa gitna ng property, guys. And then this is the room. Okay, imagine ganito kalaki yung kanilang panel. It's a tempered glass, no? Tempered. Yeah, makapal. Pero unfortunately, we cannot go inside. Pero it has a bedroom, it has a bathroom. And then, imagine, ganito kalaking cabin. Ito lang yung pinaka-master's room area. Alright, then right here. So you have the access, no? Papunta doon naman sa caretaker house area. And then, I love the trellis design. Yung drama nito, ang ganda, oh. Diba? Pag ito sa side na to, guys, ang ganda. And then from here, so makikita mo na yung simbahan and then the caretaker's house doon sa dulo. No, medyo maulan, guys, pero as you can see via drone, mai-in-love nyo, no? Nakaka-in-love itong napakaganda property. Before we end our house tour, so if you are interested in seeing this in a person, or interested in seeing this in person, contact us on the details below to schedule a private viewing. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more premium property tours. See you in the next one. My name is Ray, and I hope to see you in our next video, guys. Daghang salamat. Gracias, amigo all over the globe. God bless everybody.